ओस की बूंदें, पहाड़ों को छूकर लौटती हवाएं, बसंत के फूलों की भीनी सी खुशबू और सूरज की पहली किरण की उज्ज्वलता, ये सब अगर आपके रुख पर सिमट कर आ जाएं, तो क्या? It's a dream, unbelievably easy to chase. After all, it's right here at Chase. Come by the corner here at A17 Narayana Vihar, New Delhi, and step into the world of Chase, where the age-old secrets of beauty and aromatic oils flow free, flow easy. Chase Institute, एक ऐसा स्किन एंड हेयर केयर, एरोमा थेरेपी एंड ट्रेनिंग क्लिनिक जो एक परम रहस्य को मानता है, that the best care comes from nature herself. तो जब बात होती है खूबसूरती को उभारने की, संवारने की और सहेजने की, Chase enjoys an unquestioning trust of millions of brands and clients. So, what is Chase all about? It's looking, feeling and being beautiful. And it goes skin deep and beyond that. With its wide range of cosmetics, treatments and aromatherapy services and products. And of course, hands-on training. And most importantly, Chase is a dream come true. ये इनका सपना है और इनके साथ इनका भी. Time to meet the dream merchants. ये है डॉक्टर नरेश अरोरा, एक जाने माने कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट और एरोमा थेरेपिस्ट. After he had plugged and gathered a huge bouquet of knowledge after researching on salon treatments, beauty care products, and of course the subject close to his heart, aromatherapy.
Aromatherapy is the science of smell, wherein we are, treating the client with the help of natural oils which are derived from or extracted out from the different plant sources like flowers, the pods, the leaves, the roots, the stem, the fruit, the rinds, everything. And we are trying to give this particular treatment only in the field of beauty care.
Chase Aromatherapy found its foundations out of his hand in 1999. And 9 years later, it had grown into the Chase Clinic.
We started from the different sources, like हमारा purpose था how to give the best of the hair treatment, best of the facials, best of the body spas. And then what had happened in the meanwhile, number of products came, and it is even if my thinking goes, even I am unaware of as to what I have done in this particular field.
Dr. Arora, besides being a front runner in beauty and treatment products, has been rapidly making advances in his aroma workshops across the country.
1999 में मैंने ये concept चालू किया था, and since then it has been a long story. आज मेरे पास कम से कम 5 लाख ऐसे students हैं जिन्होंने मेरे training लिया है. There are more than 10,000 students who have taken the diploma from us, and the people who have attained any knowledge from us, they are settled not only in India but across the world also, and they are very happy, they are very satisfied, and they are very successful.
And he has also gone ahead and shared all his precious knowledge on aromatherapy and beauty treatments at the Chase Skin Care Institute. प्रकृति से प्रकृति तक, इस एहसास को ही अपना मूल उद्देश्य बनाया है डॉक्टर अरोरा ने। और इस खूबसूरत सफर पर इनके साथ हैं डॉक्टर नीति अरोरा, an experienced naturopath and a reputed Reiki healer. Dr. Neeti walks hand in hand, carrying our practical demonstrations of Chase products and techniques across the country.
हमारे यहाँ पे जो क्लाइंट आते हैं फैट के होते हैं या किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम के होते हैं जिनके लिए वो एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन्स ले रहे हैं, उनका भी हम यहाँ पर एरोमा थेरेपी प्लस नेचुरोपैथी के थ्रू हम लोग उनका ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, जिससे कि जो मेडिसिन्स खा रहे हैं वो उनके ऊपर उनका इफ़ेक्ट आने लगता है। साथ ही साथ आजकल जिस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, मेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा लोग परेशान रहते हैं, तो उसके लिए मैं यहाँ पर रेकी ट्रीटमेंट भी देती हूँ, जिससे कि उनके अंदर पॉजिटिव एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा एनहांस हो जाती है और उनकी प्रॉब्लम जो है काफ़ी हद तक उनको अपनी कम नज़र आती हैं।
It's no wonder that this wonderful team at Chase has been much lauded and awarded for contributing to the world of beauty and well-being.
जो लोग इस फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं उनको भी हम लोग ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं। जैसे अगर वो एरोमा थेरेपी में करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए डिफरेंट कोर्सेज हैं, हेयर स्टाइलिंग और मेकअप के लिए डिफरेंट कोर्सेज हैं, तो वो इस तरह की सारी चीज़ें। और स्पा के लिए जैसे अगर कोई ट्रीटमेंट में इंटरेस्टेड है कि ट्रीटमेंट देना चाहता है, सीखना चाहता है, तो वो सर्विसेज भी हम उनको प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं कि वो हमारे यहाँ आके सीख सकते हैं और अपना आगे कोई सलून या स्पा सेंटर वो रन कर सकते हैं।
Among the many awards feature the Asia Pacific Excellence Award, the Rajiv Gandhi Excellence Award.
Chase is known to provide all kinds of holistic treatments in the field of beauty care. We incorporate all kind of aroma oil which are very natural in nature. We take the help of all the massage patterns which are very reflexological, and we provide the Reiki treatments. These things we incorporate in our studies, we incorporate in our training to the beauty parlors, and that's why our classes are known to not only incorporate the product line but at the same time trying to tell the students and the beauty professionals as to how this complete holistic approach will help them to alleviate the problem at the permanent level.
और एक नजर चेस के प्रोडक्ट्स पर। A comprehensive array of affordable and thoroughly reliable herbal products. Take your pick out of bleaches, skin toners, facial creams, facial kits, facial gels, complexion creams, scrubs, tonic packs, and many, many more. Chase Aroma ब्यूटी प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए एक खास ब्रांड है। चेस के फेशियल किट्स, हेयर स्पा और बॉडी स्पा किट्स और बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ब्यूटी सैलून्स और क्लिनिक्स का एक अहम हिस्सा है। Aromatherapy essentials and massage oils blended by Chase enjoy a place of pride in beauty parlors, wellness spas, resorts and more. The Chase products from a big part of beauty export to many countries.
As far as the Chase brand is concerned, Chase brand has got a different value for the future. We are trying hard to propagate this particular culture not only within India but across the globe. The recipe of Chase being a successful brand derives its force from our training patterns, which are very holistic, our approach towards the treatment, which are very natural and very aesthetic.
डॉक्टर अरोरा के इस सपने का सबसे अहम अंग है चेस क्लिनिक। Walk in and dive into deep relaxation and beauty treatments. Food therapy, spa treatments, bridal makeovers, aroma facials, aroma therapies, the world of healing and happiness is at your feet. Chase shall always expand its horizon by opening franchisees in various metro cities in India.
There are so many people who have asked us for different kind of franchises in their particular city. we were very reluctant to begin with, but now we are open to that, and I invite all beauty professionals, whosoever want to make a career in aromatherapy and body aesthetics, they should join the Chase family and explore the possibility of enhancing their aesthetic beauty as well as body related business.
So walk in and walk out. A new you, a healed you, a blissful you. कहा था ना हमने? It's a dream so easy to chase. Come, chase the most beautiful you. Come, chase the dream that comes true. Right here at Chase.